We actually provide a wide variety of services. That includes all types of assessment testing. We provide informational services, referrals to other agencies. We also provide placement services, workshops, trying to prepare them for the labor market, and we partner with a large variety of folks in the area to provide a variety of workshops, such as financial workshops if they're having difficulty with home loans while they're in school or if they've been laid off, credit card debt, things of that nature. Two of our most popular workshops that we've had are our interview clinics and our resume workshops. What we do is we actually have employers come in and do mock interviews with our students to help them prepare for the labor market and for those hard interviews. So that's gone very well. And actually, as we've done that, employers have found folks that they could hire. Over the last 2 months, just out of those workshops, employers have found 2 folks each time that they wanted to hire, so that's worked out very well.